Today, we will be discussing IP address. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Leo Tolstoy. In today's world, nearly everyone relies on the internet for various purposes. Many people use it to run online businesses, while students turn to it for studying and research. Gamers connect online to play a wide range of games. Essentially, each individual has found their own way to engage with the internet. We aim to offer you the most informative videos available. If you encounter any offensive material, kindly leave a comment below.
Hey, like it. Share now. Comment please. Hurrah! Subscribe.
The internet connects people worldwide, enabling data exchange. To facilitate this, each device is assigned a unique Internet Protocol (IP) address. A protocol refers to a set of rules, and the design of an IP address follows a consistent format that is standardized for all users, ensuring that each address is distinct and allows for effective communication. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a unique numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. It serves two main purposes: identifying the host or network interface and providing the location of the device within the network. IP address is in the form of integer number which is separated by dot. There are two types of addressing: logical addressing using IP addresses and physical addressing using MAC addresses. Generally, logical IP addresses are easier to access and manage compared to MAC addresses. Let's discuss IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. An IPv4 address is 32 bits long, consisting of 4 octets, each containing 8 bits. This means that 8 bits multiplied by 4 equals 32 bits. The value of each octet ranges from 0 to 255, allowing for approximately 4 billion unique IP addresses. For example, the address 192.168.10.26 is an IP version 4 address, and it is separated by dots, with each number falling within the range of 0 to 255. IPv6 addresses are 128 bits long, consisting of 8 groups, each 16 bits. 16 bits times 8 groups equals 128 bits. The range for each group is from 0 to FFFF, which corresponds to 0 to 65,535. This allows for the generation of approximately 340 trillion unique IP addresses. An IPv6 address consists of 8 groups, separated by colons, and is made up of hexadecimal digits and numbers. We use Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6, instead of version 4, IPv4, primarily because IPv6 offers a much larger address space, accommodating the growing number of devices connected to the Internet. While IPv4 supports approximately 4 billion unique addresses, IPv6 can provide about 340 undecillion addresses. This vast capacity is crucial as the number of Internet-connected devices continues to rise. Additionally, IPv6 includes improved features like better routing efficiency, built-in security. A private IP address is an IP address assigned to devices within a private network, which is not routable on the public internet. These addresses are used for communication within local networks, such as home or office networks. A public IP address is an IP address that is assigned to a device that is directly connected to the Internet. It is routable on the global Internet and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Public IP addresses are unique across the entire internet, meaning no two devices can have the same public IP at the same time. IP addresses are divided into 5 different classes: Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class E. Each class encompasses a distinct range of IP addresses. The range for Class A is from 0 to 126, Class B ranges from 128 to 191, Class C spans from 192 to 223, Class D covers 224 to 239, and Class E extends from 240 to 255. You can determine the class of an IP address by examining the range of its first octet. Class D addresses are used to send data to multiple hosts that are part of a multicast group rather than broadcasting to all devices on a network. Class E addresses are not intended for general public use and are primarily allocated for experimental applications and research in networking. We are talking about IPv4. The IP address 127.0.0.1 is a local server used for experiment on our computers. You need to check the first octet,